Hello everyone, my name is Jogule Akash Menon and today's date is 9 February 2023 and today's my topic is the data binding in Angular. So how to store the data and how to data are the bind in Angular language. So let's talk about this information in this session. So let's talk about the data binding. Data binding in Angular is the synchronization between the model and the view. When data is the model changes, the view reflect the change, and when the data in the view changes, the model is the update as well. So data binding deals with the how to bind your data from the component to HTML to the HTML DOM elements templates. So you can easily interact with the application without worrying about the how to insert your data. So we can make connections in two different ways. Uh, we can make connection in two different ways. So first is a one way and second is a two way binding. So firstly talk about the one way data binding. So one way data binding is a one way interaction between the components and its templates. If you perform any changes in your components, then it will be reflect the HTML elements. So it is supported the following points. So first point is a string interpolation. Next is a event binding. Third is a property binding. Fourth is a attribute binding. Fifth is a class binding. Sixth is a style binding. These are the six type of the one-way data binding. So let's we talk about the first data binding. So string interpolation. So string interpolation is the process of the formatting the component and its the templates. So next is a second is a event binding. Event binding is the action like the click, double click, hover and any keyboard and the mouse actions. If you user interaction with the application and the performance same actions, then event will be raised. So third is the property binding. Property binding is the used to the bind the data from the property of the component to the DOM elements. So next is the attribute binding. Attribute binding is the used to the bind the data from the component to the HTML attributes. So next is a class binding. The class binding provides the additional functionality. If the component data is the boolean, then the class will be bind only when it is true. And sixth is a style binding. So next we talk about the two-way binding. Two-way binding is the two-way interactions data flows in the both way from component to view and view to component. These are the all information about the data binding in Angular. So thank you.